Hi, I'm Tim Jarrett, Director of Product Management, and we're talking about 5 essential steps to shift security left. Step 5, develop a culture of visibility. Contrary to how many developers think of application delivery, the responsibility of an application team doesn't stop once a product is in production. One of the major innovations of DevOps is that it makes teams responsible for the product in production and in operation, and makes the team responsible for dealing with any issues that may come up in a production environment. AppSec is part of the development team's responsibility, and so it too carries on as a responsibility of the team into production. There are several considerations for how to keep visibility on security occurrences in production with live running applications. One responsibility teams have is to monitor applications to understand if the applications are under attack so that they can then take corrective action. This can be done with a variety of tools and practices, many of which teams may already be using, but may require some tuning to isolate attacks from other events that are happening to the application. Examples include correlating product logs into some sort of security, intelligence, and event monitoring solution. Other solutions include simply writing special logging rules when certain conditions happen, such as product logins, so that unusual or suspicious login activity can be monitored. These are development practices that don't necessarily require the team to buy new dedicated security tools, but can be made better with some security tools that are on the market. The second kind of responsibility that teams have is to understand what the entire attack perimeter of their organization is, and to ensure that all the applications on the perimeter have been subjected to the right degree of security rigor as they've gone through the development process. It's very common for modern enterprises to have many different parts of the organization standing up applications, ranging from central IT to lines of business to even applications that are stood up and owned by marketing. And unfortunately, there are different degrees of process depending on where the applications are coming from and what their business purpose is. But the organization as a whole needs to understand what's out there, to understand which of the applications may put the enterprise at risk, and to be prepared to act quickly if a highly vulnerable application is stood up that poses a risk to the enterprise. Commonly, organizations think of security as a function that's designed to slow down the delivery of value to a customer. Unfortunately, that reality has been true for many organizations in the past, because security has optimized for meeting its own goals within a silo without looking at the goals of the other parts of the organization that security supports. By aligning security's goals of keeping the organization safe with the development team's goals of delivering value to the business on schedule and on time, security teams can help development teams go faster while still delivering safe, protected code. And they can do it through helping teams embrace automation and to learn how to incorporate other security practices into their development processes.